I'm Philippe Heller with the Real Estate Inspection Company with this episode of Managing the Home Inspection. Today we're going to talk about smoke and carbon monoxide detectors. There's still a lot of confusion about where and when these are required. Now, any house that is sold, no matter when it was built, they require smoke detectors in more places than they were originally put, no matter when it was built. And this is a big sticking point among real estate agents and appraisers. So just know that with every house that is sold, you need to have smoke detectors in each bedroom and in the hallway outside of the bedroom. If this was a big ranch-style house with rooms clustered on the opposite side, you would also need a smoke detector in the hallway on this side of the house. For carbon monoxide detectors, those need to just be in the hallway near the bedrooms, with the idea being that if there was carbon monoxide, it would sound and wake everybody up in the house. Brand new homes have carbon monoxide detectors in each bedroom as well, but for older homes, you only need the one carbon monoxide in the hallway. Now, if we have multi-level homes, the same rules apply, with the addition that there's a smoke detector and carbon monoxide detector required on each level as well. We don't really have a lot of basements in San Diego, but if you did, one smoke and carbon monoxide detector would be required here. One on this level, even though there are no sleeping rooms, you need at least one smoke and carbon monoxide on this level. If there were bedrooms here, you would have to have a smoke detector in that room as well. And then in this house, all the bedrooms are upstairs, so you need a smoke detector in each bedroom and a smoke and carbon monoxide detector in the hallway. This will avoid a lot of confusion, and certainly nobody wants to pay an appraiser to come back out. So if you have any questions, give us a call and we'll talk to you soon.